Hey everyone, in this video we will learn pictures tag how to use. Pictures tag we can use multiple images. I am just taking pictures tag and pictures opening tag and closing tag. Now I am taking image tag and src is here. We can add here image path. So no, here is only one dot slash input and give here pictures name. Now alert here is a give information pictures name. You can put anything. Please subscribe my channel. If you like my video, so please subscribe. Now I'm checking in the browser. Can you see images coming? Now do one thing. I'm giving here styling width and height, giving style and width giving 100% and height is auto. It work in browsers. Now can you see? Now images is showing proper. Please subscribe my channel, please. Now I'm taking source and a source set. Give here is image path dot slash image pictures and spacing media max width. Give here is I am giving here 700 pixels. Actually here is max width is 700. When I come in 700 browsers, so can you see is coming different image, like it work like a media query. Can you see here is? Now again copy and paste, change here in image name and change here is device size. I am giving here is 1200. Now can you see? Above the 12 is giving another image and 12 and max 700 comes another image. Please guys subscribe my channel if you like. Thank you watching this video.